So today, we're going to take a look at a product that's, well, blown up on Amazon. It's a #1 bestseller. It's the YUQUESEN Cordless blower. It makes some big promises about making cleanup easy, but the real question is, does it actually deliver? Let's dive in.
You know the feeling, right? Your garage is just covered in sawdust. The patio's a mess of leaves after one windy day, and you're just dreading having to get out the old broom and dustpan. It feels like a chore that never, ever ends.
It's just one of those universal jobs that's slow, it's tiring, and honestly, half the time it just feels like you're kicking dust from one place to another. But what if there was a better way?
And that, right there, is the core promise. The manufacturer is claiming this little tool can basically slash your cleanup time. Now, that's a pretty bold claim, so let's see what kind of power they're packing into this thing.
The marketing for this thing is all about raw power. I mean, they're using phrases like hurricane force to describe what this little handheld device can do. So, what are the numbers behind the hype?
Okay, so the first number they throw at you is a big one, 980,000. But what on earth does that even mean?
That's revolutions per minute. They say it's all thanks to a high-efficiency turbine motor that's designed to move a ton of air without, burning out. But RPM is one thing. What about the actual wind speed coming out the other end?
Well, that motor translates into some pretty serious airspeed.
We're talking over 110 miles per hour. To put that in perspective, the company says that's enough force to blast away even wet, matted down leaves and other gunk in just a matter of seconds.
But here's the thing. Massive power usually comes with some big trade-offs, like being super heavy or just awkward to handle. So, the next big question is this thing actually easy to use?
And this is really the key difference. This thing weighs just 2.8 pounds. That's about half the weight of a standard gas blower. So you're not mixing fuel, you're not yanking on a pull cord, it's just a simple one-hand design that pretty much anyone can use without getting worn out.
You know, one of the biggest headaches with cordless tools is the battery dying right in the middle of a job. Well, YUQUESEN seems to have thought of that by just including 2 batteries in the box. You get about 13 minutes on each one, so when the first one dies, you just pop in the fresh one and you keep on going. Pretty smart.
So it's powerful and it's lightweight, but its real value might just be how versatile it is. According to both the company and the people who own it, this device is for a lot more than just chasing leaves around the yard. Seriously, people are using this for everything. Clearing sawdust in a workshop, drawing your car after a wash so you don't get water spots, even blowing light snow off your car in the winter. It tackles patios, decks, gutters. You can even use it to blow the ash out of a barbecue. It's really more of a multi-purpose cleaning tool.
All right, so the company claims are one thing. They sound great on paper, but the real test, the moment of truth, is what actual buyers are saying after they've used it. This is where we get the real story.
This first review really hits the nail on the head. For those quick cleanups in the garage or workshop, sawdust, leaves, that kind of stuff, users are saying, yeah, it's powerful and it gets the job done. So it definitely confirms that core promise.
And here you go, here's that versatility we were talking about. James here specifically mentions using it to clear snow off his car, something you might not even think to use a blower for. It just shows that people are finding all these creative, really effective uses for it.
Now this review, this is one you won't forget. Philip Clark gives it 5 stars, but comes with this hilarious and honestly pretty important warning. I mean, that says a lot about the power of the air intake on the back, doesn't it? It's a funny story, but it's also real-world proof of this machine's surprising strength.
So if we kind of boil down hundreds of reviews, this is the picture that emerges. For the pros, people consistently say it's lightweight, easy to handle, and way more powerful than you'd expect for its size. And getting 2 batteries in a carrying case? Huge pluses. But on the flip side, the cons? A common complaint is a high-pitched, pretty loud sound. Some people say the trigger is a little too sensitive, and it's really important to manage your expectations. This is not for clearing a massive, soggy lawn.
And that brings us to the final, most important question. After you've seen the specs, the different uses, and the honest feedback from real people, you've got to ask yourself if this tool actually fits what you need to do. And here's the bottom line. The consensus is that this is a fantastic tool for quick, specific jobs. Blowing out the garage, clearing the patio, drying the car. It's a champion of convenience, but it's not going to replace a professional, heavy-duty gas blower for clearing an acre of land.
So if you're looking for a lightweight champ for those quick jobs, the YUQUESEN blower really seems to be a clear winner. If this breakdown helped you figure things out, make sure you hit that subscribe button for more explainers just like this one.
And of course, if you've decided you want to pick one up, we've put a direct link to the product right there in the description for you. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll catch you on the next one.